How to change shipping address in Shein after placing an order. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change the shipping address in Shein after you've placed an order. So let's get started. First, open up your Shein. After you open your Shein, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, just go to the Me section here. This is the first interface that you will be in. Tap on Me, that is on the bottom right. After you've done that, you will see My Orders section. Just tap on View All, and here you will be able to see all of your orders that you have placed. Now, you will only be able to change your shipping address if the status of the order is unpaid or processing. If it's already shipped or reviewed, you will not be able to change its address. So make sure that you check the status of the order and then you can change the location. Now if you find your item here, you can change the location by just tapping on edit address, which will be around here, that is on the bottom right of that very item, and then change the location there, and then you can simply wait for it to get changed and it will be shipped. And that is how you change the shipping address in Shein after you have placed an order. Thanks for watching guys. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.